Okay, so this is my second attempt to film the ticking noise after my battery died. So you'll hear it. It's not loud enough to probably hear through the camera. Once I turn it on, at least you can't hear it over the exhaust and everything else going. So yeah, just sort of bear with me. Once I bring it outside, you can definitely hear it. You hear the belts going and everything too, but if you can sort of gut around that, you'll be able to hear the ticking noise. So here it goes. RPMs to die down a little bit. Yeah, you can sort of hear a slight plastic tinging noise if you listen hard enough. Not too much though, it's like barely audible. But it's enough to hear at a red light sometimes. And it used to be a little louder. Once you get outside you can hear it a little more. Stack. Okay, so see the bell pivot. Still see it gets pretty close to my intake, but it's still far enough away to I mean, this is held in place by this as well as the wire tie that's now loose. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, I'll put that. If you get the camera close enough to around here, this area, it's the loudest. You can probably hear it on the camera now. Okay, it did not do this till the this is off the upper intake and manifold and everything. And this is the hose that the clamp that they didn't reconnect, and it was like sitting right around here on the wire, and that just popped off, and all my coolant went everywhere. So you definitely hear it though. It's right around here, and you can see the engine is rocking. You probably can't tell between me holding the engine or not, but it is moving significantly. Like, that moving is not me, it's mostly the engine. But it's kind of more than it used to, I think. I'm not really sure. But you can definitely hear it coming from around here. And I move it further away, like around the belt, and just ground out. It's right around here. And I have no idea where it's coming from. So that's about it.